Welcome back to Shotgunning with Aaron, episode 28. I'm ready for him this time. I already got my snorkel ready to go.
I don't have a bottle. I've never done this.
You suck. Nobody cares. So I'm snorkeling, Ray's snorkeling, you're snorkeling.
I need a bottle.
I'm gonna be hurting after this. Not
I don't know
snorkeling.
if we have any more bottles left.
I guess
No, there's another bottle in there.
Is there?
Yeah, there's like.
Or you can shotgun. You guys shotgunning with Aaron?
That's it.
Darrah.
You have to snorkel the A1 now. Snorkel the A1.
What? Listen, fucking
Snorkeling with Randy
mess.
doesn't have all day to be
Darrah,
doing
you know-
shit, alright?
Yeah, bro. I think you did.
Snorkeling with Randy is taking a turn for the worst here.
It does unhook.
Okay, so Darrah didn't break it in our head. It's cheap.
I was even on a snorkel with Randy.
It's made and it's put into a socket, so it's cheap. It was not my fault. Big bottles don't go in the door. Pete.
Don't break my door. Not my door, not my problem.
Yeah. Mark said, not my door,
Well,
not my problem.
That was a good one, but that concludes it. Pete doesn't even know it concluded yet.
Just a bit.
Nobody else knows we just did that. That's the end of the episode. Thanks for tuning in.